What's going on, people? Blessing to you, blessing to your family. Wallace Current here from 11 Fit TV. Thank you for joining me today. It is going to be an absolutely different video, but I think you will like it. I think I'm going to like it, and I hope you like it. If you do, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like on the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So, as a person who makes videos and put them on YouTube, right? As a personal trainer, as a nutritionist, a lot of people who does the same thing, they are a big inspiration to me. Shout out to everyone on YouTube who likes to encourage fitness, likes to encourage eating well, likes to encourage people to keep their nutrition at an elite level. Today, what I'm going to do, I have gone on YouTube and I have searched for the most popular exercises, popular influencers, and I am going to challenge them. It is 11 Fit TV versus the YouTube universe, even though I'm a part of it. You know what I mean? And today, I'm taking on my first challenge from someone called Chloe Ting. All right, so go over to her channel, give her some love. You know what I mean? It's hard work when people make these videos. It takes them time to do it, to edit, to make it right so that you can watch it. So go over, show them some love, go over and check out what Chloe Ting is doing. Shout out to her, man. I don't know her in person, but we are going to get to know her from these exercises. So join me and let's take on Chloe Ting. Let's hear what she has to say. Let me get it rolling here. Boom. Ah. Show her abs first, so you have to show off your abs. We're trying to do everything like her, right? Yeah. Define the waistline. Yeah, smash the like button on the video. Thanks, Chloe. On my video, on her video. Just like it. Nah, not doing that. Bun that, Chloe. Bun that. We're not doing that part. All right. 10 seconds break. Let's do it. Come on. Here we go. Reverse crunch. Oh, clap. All right, we're failing already. Okay, so up and clap. Okay, I got it. Up and clap. Oh, this is hard. Clap. Up. Whew. This is good. Reverse crunch. Oh, Chloe. No rest. All right, so I have a strategy, people. Breathe, normal, not exerting too much energy. Because we have to kick Chloe's butt. Come on. All right, that sounds good. All right, 10-second break. Come on, people. All right, Chloe. Spider-Man. We do this all the time, 11 Fit TV. Come on. Don't get outdone by Chloe. Nice. All right. She's good. All right, starting to burn. Well, we are not losers. Crossbody climbers. No rest. Come on. Opposite. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on, we can't lose this. All right. Rest break. Good going. Chloe, you're going to kick your butt. Come on. Russian twist. Come on. Lean into it. Take your time. We have to pace ourselves. Don't want to burn out. Breathe. Nice and slow. Chloe, it's not going down all the way. Come on, Chloe. Whew. Okay, in and out. Come on, breathe. That's the strategy, people. Oh, God. Don't give up. Come on. See? That's the strategy, people. Slow. Rest up. All right. Nice. Rest. Deep breathe in. Damn. Rest time done already. All right, come on. Nice. This is like rest to us, Chloe. Thank you for this one. No. I'm joking, people. It's hard. All right. Come on. Oh, Jesus. Plant jacks. No rest. Come on. Chloe, thank you. She said we can do it. Come on. Okay. All right. Knees up and pump. Oh, shit. This is hard. Breathe, people. Never done this one before. Jesus. Yeah. All right, come on. All right, so she's not coming all the way up. Crunch. 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 Ah. 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 Whew. Come on. Come on, people. Oh, Jesus. All right, rest up. Come on, 11 for TV. We do this all the time. Up and down. High to low. Nice. Pace yourself. Yeah, she's fit, man. All right, plank. All right, here we go. Remember to squeeze those abs, guys. I know it burns. It burns. But we have to win. Come on. Watch out.
Garage door.
Keep it nice and tight. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. All right. Time is going fast. You touch it. We do this already. Come on. We got this. Come on, 11:15. We got this. I have some support. My son is watching. My partner is watching. All right, come on. Nice. Nice and control. Watch out, boy. Ah. Ah. Whew. Nice. Oh, Jesus. She's cool. Chloe, you're cool. Cool Chloe. That's her name. Cool Chloe. Up. All right. We do this already 11 for TV. Come on. Don't let her win. Don't let her win 11 fit. Show them that we don't give up. Come on, let's be cool, Chloe. Ah. 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 Oh, Jesus. All right. Come on, let's go. Straight leg. Ah. Ah. Oh, jeez. Come on, don't give up. Ah. Whew. Come on. Almost there. Finish strong. Finish strong. Ah, too easy. Up and down track. Ah. Whew. Ah. Come on. Finish line is close. Come on, 11 fit. I think we got her. We kept up with Chloe Ting. Come on. Ah! Yes! Yes! We did it! Ah! Well done, 11 fit TV. We kept up with Chloe Ting. Good job. That was a good workout, Chloe. Thanks to you. Thanks to everyone who tuned in. Remember to like, remember to subscribe. Go over to Chloe channel and show her some love.